Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to the channel. I really hope you all are doing amazingly great. If at all you're visiting the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to press the bell icon for all the future notifications from this channel. In today's video, I'm discussing with all of you a very simple facial that can be done by every single person in your home. May it be children, adults, male, female, every single person can follow it without any side effect. This is something very simple yet very powerful. The ingredients are right in your kitchen. They're very easily available. If not, you can check the nearby grocery and I'm 100% sure you're going to find all of them. If at all you're somebody who's comfortable about online shopping, the link to every single thing that I'm mentioning over here would be in the description box. You can go and check that out as well. Step number one, like any other facial, would be cleaning your face. If at all you're into makeup, only coal, that would also be considered as makeup. Use a micellar water. Micellar water is a very powerful, very potent liquid that actually emulsifies the entire liquid, the impurities on your face. It melts it completely and you can wipe clean your face very easily. If you're not into it, you can directly jump into the step number 2, which would be an oil-based cleanser. Now, if at all you are using something very powerful as a face wash, like DIY face wash or something that has blends of things, which are cleansers also, exfoliators also, you can directly use that. But if not, please use an oil-based cleanser. Now, oil-based cleanser actually brings out all the impurities on your face, the gunk, the dirt, the oil, the impurities, the pollutants, everything is just completely wiped off. So use an oil-based cleanser, massage thoroughly the entire face, the nicks and corners, every portion of your face should be absolutely clean. And then use any face wash that you are comfortable about. I'm not going to go into the ingredients, but please check them out for sure. Your face wash should not have lots of ingredients. It should not have lots of chemicals into it. It should be very simple, free of parabens, free of sulfates. That's what you're using over here. The next step is going to be a mask that we are going to put topically on the face. And this is going to work literally on the inner layers of your skin. Whatever steps we have done so far is to remove all the impurities that were lying on the skin. But believe me, this particular mask will make sure that all the impurities which are stuck inside the skin, that can also be removed easily in the further steps. So the things that you would require for this would be gram flour, just a tablespoon or something. You can absolutely play with the ratio, no worries at all. And a pinch of turmeric. If you have wild turmeric, you can use approximately 1/3 tablespoon. Absolutely no problem. In fact, great. Mix the thing together with rose water. Absolutely make a beautiful paste and put it all over your face, concentrating on the areas where you have a lot of oil. Specifically, it is like T-zone, but it is different for different people. So put it all across your face, focusing on the T-zone, focusing on the area where you have a lot of oil secretion, and just let it be. Do not let this mask dry completely. Just pat dry with water or maybe spray rose water, whatever is comfortable to you, and wipe clean your face. Once this is done, believe me, the pores are absolutely clean. Whatever impurities are stuck in the skin, in the pores, they're going to loosen up a little bit, and the further steps are going to make sure that they are also out and the skin is absolutely clean. After this, you're going to pat dry your face thoroughly. Let the moisture absolutely get absorbed and the skin feel absolutely fresh. The next step is also going to be a mask, but this time this is going to be a sheet mask. For this, you'll be requiring cucumber juice. Whatever is the season, cucumber is available. If not, I guess you can take any seasonal fruit. Because watermelon was available, so I'm taking watermelon and cucumber juice over here. But you can use any seasonal fruit that is available. Why am I saying this? Is that seasonal fruits have the tendency to actually penetrate into the skin, give you wonderful results because you're consuming it as well and the body is completely aware of what it is consuming, what it is processing inside. And when you give it topically, the skin, the body is very comfortable about it. So I've taken the juice of cucumber and watermelon, and this juice, I've put a sheet mask into it so that it absorbs all the juice, and I've put it all over my face. Now this sheet mask, let your skin drink this, amazing drink. Let it be drenched completely. And once you are comfortable that yes, most of it is completely absorbed in the skin, you're going to remove the mask, massage it thoroughly. Again, make sure that every last drop of this amazing juice is absorbed in the skin completely. And post this, you are going to wipe clean your face if you are not comfortable. Obviously, it is going to be a little stickier. So if you're not comfortable, just wipe clean your face and you're ready for the sealing mask. Yes, the third and the last mask over here, which is going to seal the entire, pores, the skin, and it is going to give you the glow that we are looking for, would be liquorized powder. If you don't have it, you can use gram flour, absolutely no problem. And you can also mix whatever leftover you have from the juices that you extracted from the seasonal fruit. You can use that as well over here. Mix it well, make a good paste, and put it all over your face and let this dry. Now, this mask has to dry completely because it is going to close the pores. It is going to tell your skin, now you're good to go. Be yourself, behave yourself, and everything. So yeah, you're going to put this as a sealing mask. Once it dries out, wipe clean it properly. You can moisturize your skin after this. You can use toner if you like, rose water or whatever is comfortable to you. And if at all you're doing this process in the morning hours, do not forget your sunscreen. So once this entire step is done, you will see nothing on the face. Believe me, obviously after the juice application, the sheet mask, you might see a little bit of, wow factor on your face, but that will be short-lived. The real, glow or the charm on your face would be seen the next day. Because you have to be very careful. Do not apply any chemical on your face. Do not eat outside processed food, or, just take care of a little bit of the lifestyle. Have plenty of water, and you will see amazing grace on your face in the long run. So once you see the magic for yourself, please come back to this video and let all of us know that you have seen it, and give this confidence to the other people on this channel. It will be huge for us. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take really good care of yourself and know for sure you are amazing. Lots of love.